All right, good morning, guys. Go ahead and join the Nearpod. The code is on the board for my people in the class, RNVM2. And then I'm sending the link in the chat as well for my Zoomies. Link is in the chat. You have 1 minute to join. Can I just fast forward once we all join? Is that okay with you guys? All right, I've got Ashley, Cherish, Haley, Jacqueline, Maddie, Maeva, Misty, Ada, Shay, and Tamika. Looks like we're good. All right, this is our agenda today. We're going over test expectations for 5 minutes. We're going to do example GBTJs for 10 minutes. You guys will have a practice passage for 25, and then we're going to write a final genre-based thinking job for 10 minutes. Thumbs up if that makes sense. Thumbs up in my camera if that makes sense. Thank you, Misty. All right, I'm giving 2 Kickstarter today for team, people who are coming off mute and sharing, and then our college point is for 85% Nearpod participation or higher. I'll update you on each question. Will you read out loud the testing expectations? If you're on Zoom, you're reading out loud testing expectations in your head. Go ahead, Haley.
On eliminate, one passage, one today, one does multiple choice, and take your time.
Awesome, Haley. So most important piece of advice that I always give is to take your time. It's one passage. It's not like the IA. It's just a checkpoint. All right, we're going to look at some example genre-based thinking jobs from our last test. You guys get to be the teacher, so be ready to be cold called. Which one of these genre-based thinking jobs is better? So when we're thinking back to our passage from last checkpoint with Miss Majeska and the gloves, these were 2 students' responses for genre-based thinking jobs. So Zoom in the room, you guys have about 2 minutes to read over these and then raise your hand when you know which one is the better genre-based thinking job and why. One minute left to decide which one is the better genre-based thinking job and why. If you're on Zoom, you're looking in the chat. Miss Graham is giving you clues. All right, can I get a hand? Which genre-based thinking job is stronger and why? I have an answer from Ada, I have an answer from Cherish. Ada, can you come off mute and explain to us which one is the better, or why the second one is the better answer?
I noticed that the second one has like more specific, like the actual name of the person, the setting. So they were just more specific. The first one, I didn't really know who they were talking about, who the characters were. So the second one is more specific. And so that's why I chose that one.
Awesome, thank you, Ada. So Ada just told us that the second one is better because it has all the parts of the genre-based thinking job we'll need. It has characters, has setting. The first one, she didn't know which specific part went with the part of the genre-based thinking job. Thank you, Ada. Moving on. Second example. So in this example, both of these students wrote a genre-based thinking job that had all of the parts. So now I want to give you guys 2 more minutes to read over them and decide which one of these is better and why.
In my room,
Thumbnail is perfect, Kathleen. 1 more minute. Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I forgot what this lesson was about, so I'm just gonna take this out. One thing is I could hear like background noise the whole time because we were both off mute. So,
Wait,
are you off mute?
I think the
So I think the background noise is gonna come from outside. Because
Okay.
I could hear the voice
Okay.
in the, so maybe I'll tell them to move. That's fine. If it's just that, I'm not worried about it.
Yeah.
And sorry, I totally forgot until halfway through that this was the model where I could circulate.
No.
They can't hear me.
I can have them come in so we can be good. Hey, Jimmy.
That was a lot. I need to practice that one.
Yeah, I like that.
Are we,
Right.
can I?
The second one.
So once the Zooms get back to the room, we're gonna talk about how you feel,
Mhm.
and
Are
how-
you, Aubrey, are you gonna end the Zoom? Like, can we end the Zoom? Are
Yeah,
we
can
done?
I?
Yeah.
and